Unjamming the Confusion. Understanding paper jam in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a phrase that can cause a bit of a stuck situation, both literally and figuratively. We're talking about the term paper jam. Whether you're in an office, at home printing something important, or just love learning English phrases, understanding what a paper jam means will definitely come in handy. Let's get started. A paper jam is a common issue where paper gets stuck in a printer or copier. But it's not just about being stuck, it's about disruption. When we say, the printer has a paper jam, we mean that the paper is lodged in the machine incorrectly, and this prevents the printer from working. Think of it as a traffic jam but with paper. Everything comes to a halt until the problem is fixed. Interestingly, paper jam can also be used figuratively. It can describe any situation where there is a blockage or stoppage in a process that should be smooth. For example, if you're working on a group project and not making progress because someone isn't doing their part, you might say, "We're experiencing a bit of a paper jam." It means there's an obstacle that needs to be cleared to move forward. Now, let's see how to use paper jam in a sentence. If you're talking about a printer, you could say, "I tried to print my report, but there was a paper jam, and now I need to fix it." On the other hand, for a figurative use, you might say, "The committee can't agree on the budget, and this paper jam is delaying the project's completion." The concept of a paper jam is universal in offices around the world, and while the term might be different, the frustration is the same everywhere. Knowing this phrase can help you communicate a common problem in many work environments, and it's a good example of how English often uses physical problems to describe more abstract issues. I hope this explanation helps clarify the phrase, paper jam, and you feel more confident using it in both its literal and figurative senses. Remember, language is like a machine. It works best when there's nothing blocking its path. Thanks for watching. And if you ever encounter a paper jam, either with paper or in life, you'll know exactly what to call it. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.